לא, אתה מתנגש כמעט בדלת.
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
I'm Dror Weiss, CEO and co-founder of Tabnine.
Eran, Yahav, CTO, co-founder.
Tabnine is an AI assistant for software development. Eran is simply incredible.
Incredible as well. I'm going to fly because the CEO said so.
And he's a licensed pilot, right?
Not anymore, but yeah, but
ex-pilot.
On the board, I think we're going to be somewhere in the middle. That's kind of solid answer.
And they're off, going straight into product market fit.
I know what these guys are going to be doing. They're going to be going home and writing some code for how they could have done this better.
They're taking their time, slow and steady. It kind of reminds me of them as founders.
Smaller capacity.
As you can see, these are the type of guys who just don't miss anything. And if they do miss something, they'll go back to make sure they get it. Also taking it backwards. Nicely done. These guys have over 1 million users, so they might actually have a lot of people cheering them on.
קצת טיפה? לא, תוריד. בסדר.
Great job, guys. Tabnine did an amazing run with 0 mistakes all the way.
How do you guys feel?
We're feeling good.
Yeah, Eran did an amazing job.
We crushed the SPAC and landed okay. The most challenging part of the course was turning left after the product market fit. 235, oh my God, so it's above Hetz.
Okay.
Next time, Wilco and Akumen have no hope.
Yes. Okay, good job.